Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
Hello, welcome to a brand new episode of Icons of New India. I'm Monika, Nanda, and we are continuing our quest to discover the best and the brightest new businesses and leaders who have fashioned their way to success. Founded in 1956 as a small manufacturing setup, Embee Group has today grown into a full-fledged industrial complex, offering its products to various textile factories. In this episode, we're going to meet one of the third-generation entrepreneur who's taking Embee Group to newer heights. We are in conversation with Mr. Shah, who's one of the managing directors of Embee Group. Hello, Mr. Shah. Welcome to the show.
Hello. Thank you so much.
Take us through your journey of working at Embee Group since you joined and the various milestones that the company has attained under your leadership.
If we date back in 1956, we were a small company manufacturing textile trolleys, and today we are making complete automized printing machines, automated color preparation systems. Today we are talking about laser technology, we are talking about automation systems. Tomorrow we are going into digital printing. So innovation has always been one of the core strengths, which has led to the significant growth in Embee, and that is how we have kept on believing in ourselves and motivating our team to excel and grow further.
So Mr. Shah, give us an overview of the range of products that your company offers.
See, Embee is into manufacturing rotary printing machine. There's a technology called rotary printing for in the textile industry for printing any fabrics. For example, the fashion fabrics that you see for menswear and ladies wear, or whether it's for home furnishings or for bed sheets and any other printed fabrics. We make machines that enable to print any kind of fabric. So this is the in layman's terms what we do.
All right.
So it comprises mainly the printing machines, then the engraving machines, which are the design preparation systems. Whatever you designs you want to print on the machine. Color preparation systems are again the mixing of and preparation of the colors that you want to print on the machine, which are again one of the most automated products that we have launched, and we are successful in India. Then we have washing systems and many other accessories. So this comprises a complete package
for the textile
printing industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us about your most successful product.
Most of products are very successful, but there is one product which is very close to my heart, and that is the Infinium. Infinium is a perfect solution for the modern day textile printer who's facing a number of challenges today.
Let's talk a bit about the numbers. How big is your team and how vast is your distribution network? How many manufacturing plants, factories do you have, and what's your annual turnover?
Embee is a group of companies and has various 10 manufacturing units spread across various parts of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, employing more than 100 people. And as far as the sales network is concerned, we have our sales offices and warehouses in all the textile centers of India. If we talk about the international market, we are working in more than 35 countries worldwide through our sales agents. As far as the growth is concerned, we are doing really well, and with our latest manufacturing facility, which has more than 3 times production capacity, we are going to achieve a significant growth in the next 3 to 4 years.
What are some of the challenges that you have faced as a third generation entrepreneur?
The biggest challenge that I faced was not only to convince but win the hearts of the family members in taking certain new and bold decisions. And through the support, I have really evolved through these challenges and been successful at. And one of the biggest challenges to elaborate is we were stuck in a quagmire of doing things which were selling lower prices products rather than focusing on the more value added and more revenue generating and more growth oriented innovative products. And that was one of the biggest challenges that we encountered.
So how do you assure and maintain high quality?
Firstly, we have quality departments for different product categories. We have technical teams with skilled engineers who are headed by senior engineers who have experience in multinational companies for more than 20-25 years. So they ensure the best selection of manufacturing processes, best selections of raw materials, best selection of the vendors, The design department ensures the latest software is used for greater dimensional accuracy of the components being manufactured.
Right.
We have a quality check at various stages in a production process. But beyond that, there is one thing I believe, that quality is an attitude. See, when we were designing the printing machine, we thought and we realized we didn't want to do something good or better. We wanted to do something state of the art, and that is the attitude we carry to motivate our team to maintain the highest quality standards.
How does your company keep up with the changing technology trends, and how big is the role of technology in your field?
We are an innovation driven company, and we fully realize that every technology or product has a life cycle.
Right.
We have a dedicated technical R&D team which focuses and keeps updated with the latest technological developments and analyzes their applications in the textile industry. That is one of the key factors that we take into account. Whether it's improvisation of the existing products, whether it's developing innovative new products, whether it's obtaining better productivity through new technological machineries, whether it's improving the operations through better software and everything. Embee has grown through these technological developments in each of these functions.
Great. So tell us about your vision and mission and values of Embee Group.
Embee Group has a very clear vision to be the most trusted leader in providing innovative technological solutions which are focused on two key parameters: higher efficiency and returns, and for sustainable growth for all the stakeholders. Our mission is to have a happy customer base of 10,000 by the year 2026.
Right.
And as far as the values are concerned, innovation, efficiency, growth. These are the values that Embee has endured through these 60 years of time and will continue to do so.
How does Embee Group stay ahead of its competition, both in India as well as international? And what is that you do different, which differentiates yourself from the competition?
As far as competition is concerned, innovation is one of our core strengths. We keep on developing new products. But beyond innovation, it's our vision. That anything that Embee delivers as a product or solution has to be number one in terms of efficiency and return.
Right.
And that itself differentiates us from the rest of the market.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shah. It was a pleasure talking to you, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, and I'm very, very grateful.
That was the story of Embee Group. It's time for a quick break. We take a look at another inspiring entrepreneurial story when we return. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Icons of New India. Now let's talk about a company which was founded in 2007 with the aim of making organic products accessible to entire farmer community in India at the most affordable prices. Growtech Agri Science and Research is one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of biofertilizers, biopesticides, organic fertilizers and botanical pesticides. We're now in conversation with the founders of Growtech Agri Science, Sanjay Patidar and Hemant Kose, to find out more about Growtech and its expansion plans. Hi, Mr. Sanjay and Mr. Hemant. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Your field is rather unusual for the entrepreneurs nowadays. So, what led to the inception of Growtech?
We thought that there is a huge scope to redefine the Indian agriculture by inserting some beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungus. And this problem can only be tackled by using biofertilizers, biopesticide and botanical pesticides. That's why we started Growtech to solving this big problem of India on 2007 with some vision and missions.
Great. Talking about the vision and mission, so Mr. Hemant, tell us about the mission and the vision of your company.
कंपनी का ये मिशन है कि हम वर्ल्ड क्लास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट सेंटर बनाना चाह रहे हैं और उसके लिए हमारा सतत प्रयास भी चल रहा है। उस आगे का हमारा मिशन जो है वो ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइजर के रूप में इंडिया को एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म हम देना चाह रहे हैं और हमारा मिशन यही है अक्रॉस द इंडिया 50% फार्मर्स ये हमारा ग्रोटेक के प्रोडक्ट यूज करें, यही हमारा मिशन है।
So, Mr. Sanjay, what are the factors that have contributed to the growth of your company and given it an edge over its competitors?
There are many factors which are responsible for our growth. Our major strength is our research and development center. We have a very renowned personality of India, that is Dr. Bharat Bhushan Sharma, which are on board for research and development. We believe on teamwork. That's why we are growing.
Mr. Hemant, how do your respective backgrounds help in achieving your goals?
Sanjay is a technical person, MSc Agriculture in Horticulture. तो संजय को पता है कि फार्मर्स की क्या समस्या है, किसानों की क्या समस्या है, वो समस्या को वो समझ पाते हैं और उसी समस्या का सॉल्यूशन किसानों को दे रहे हैं और इनका वो 10 साल का जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो हमें योगदान दे रहा है। और उसी के साथ मेरा जो आर्ट बैकग्राउंड होने की वजह से मैं पर्टिकुलर मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट वो मैं खुद हैंडल करता हूँ। जो बैकग्राउंड है वो हमें काफी हद तक हेल्प करता है।
जी, तो आपके बैकग्राउंड्स हैं, these help in your company and it helps in achieving your goals for the company.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Sanjay, how imperative is research and development in your field?
Yes, it is a very, very important research and development for any field. As we are growing, the research and development is required for our industry.
Right.
As you know, today's the awareness of organic products are increasing day by day. Across the India, the people are demanding and they are requiring the organic production. In case of agriculture, research is just to know or learn about the problems. So for solving these problems, we have to research and development centers. So we develop some efficient strains of beneficial bacteria and fungus that is required for solving any problems.
How important does technology play a role in your field, in your business?
Technology play an important role in agriculture. Farmers are now using internet, they are having Wi-Fi also, and they are searching product which are responsible for increasing the fertility and growth of the soil, and they are searching how their problem can overcome. So as far as research and development and technology is concerned, so we, with the help of some social media, we are increasing awareness among the farmers that we have 100% organic products that will cure all the diseases by organic nature.
Thank you both of you. It was a pleasure talking to you and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you from Team Growtech.
That was the story of Growtech Agri Science and Research. We will now head for a short break and will unravel another inspiring story when we return. Welcome back. You're watching Icons of New India. We shall now talk about a young company started just 4 years back, GreenAge Industries. Today has marked their name in the field of manufacturing of plastic powder and compounds. We're now joined by Mr. Ravi Kadiwar, the founder of GreenAge. Born in a family from Kathiawar, business was always his passion. And after completing his education, Ravi chose to be an entrepreneur. And the outcome was his own venture, GreenAge Industries, started in 2012. So Ravi, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
So under the umbrella of parent company Umiya Group of Industries, how did GreenAge happen? And how difficult was it to create your own separate identity?
I was very passionate about taking our products that we were manufacturing to the next level in the plastic industry. That's when I explored for products in rotomolding, and I found Indian rotomolding market was actually dominated by water storage tank manufacturers. At least around 90% of the rotomolders were manufacturing water storage tanks, and everybody was looking for new applications that they can develop with rotational molding, but they did not have any credible source for customized materials.
Right.
So GreenAge decided to bridge this gap, and we started manufacturing customized rotomolding materials in 2012. Indeed, it was very difficult to create our personal space in the industry, The biggest challenge that I faced was on the technical knowledge. I traveled many countries, I visited many rotomolding conferences, I visited trade fairs, I met expert people on rotomolding, and I gained knowledge on how I can customize my powder to suit it to all the applications that they can manufacture with rotomolding. Today we are growing at the rate of CAGR of 140%, and we constitute at least 50% of our group's turnover.
Why should one opt for GreenAge? What is your USP?
For why GreenAge is we provide certified and proven materials. Certified because we have in-house laboratory where our quality assurance team tests our powders on extensively on each and every technical parameters. We also have in-house lab size machines which our customers use. Whatever our customers desire, we mold it in real life on our lab size machines and provide them with the technical specifications which helps them to make quality rotomolding compounds. Also, we are the only company in India that offers multiple grades which is designed for various rotomolding applications.
How imperative is maintaining quality for you?
Quality is a culture at GreenAge Industries. There was time when quality was what we can say was an USP, but at GreenAge we believe quality is linked to performance. Also, we are the only company in India where we test our powders on low temperature impact on peak internal air temperature parameters. We also test the raw materials that comes into our factory, that goes into production.
Tell us about the range of products you deal into.
We have 4 manufacturing verticals, with rotomolding being the major selling product. You would have seen the water storage tanks on the top of the houses.
Yes.
You would have seen the red and yellow colored road safety products on the dividers.
Yeah.
So those are made from these rotomolding materials that we provide. We also deal in plastic jars which are used for packing confectionery items like chocolates, tea, which we supply to multinationals worldwide. We also have an arm where we manufacture kitchenware products like bottles, plates, bowls, spoons, some disposable items. And the 4th segment that we have is where we manufacture carry bags, shopping bags, and applications similar to those.
Your company is named GreenAge and you deal into plastic. So how green is actually your company?
Plastic, definitely it's not biodegradable, but it's 100% recyclable. And the products that we manufacture, majority of this product goes into food packaging, it's water storage tanks, goes into marine applications where it's been exposed to marine environment. So we ensure that each and every product is UV stabilized, it's made as per specification which is required to safeguard whatever applications that they are going to work in. That's why we have named it as GreenAge Industries. We ensure each and every parameters which we have to meet in all the standards worldwide.
Investing in technology keeps you a step up. How much do you believe in this statement?
I would give major credit of our success to world-class technology that we have invested in. First of all, because of the technology that we have, we were able to fulfill our commitments on quality and time. We have compounding technologies from Japan. We have polarizing technology from Germany. I would say it's because of the technology that we have, we were able to open shows for new product developments that we wanted to make. I would proudly say that today more than 30 products are manufactured from our powder with stringent of applications ranging from food packaging, road safety, marine to complex applications like automotive and defense.
Okay. What is your vision and mission for the company GreenAge?
My vision is to assist and satisfy rotomolders worldwide by providing innovative solutions to shape their desires into reality. As far as my mission is concerned, we want to be 1 lakh metric ton global polymer processing company by year 2026.
Okay. And so where do you actually see your company 5 years from now?
Currently, we are working on creating a marketing alliance with support of industry experts to have our presence in all 7 continents. We are currently providing customized rotomolding materials to Asia, Europe, Africa and Middle East, and we want to replicate this globally. We are processing 4,000 metric ton a year, and down the line 5 years we want to expand the same to 40,000 metric ton a year global polymer processing company and support our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision of Make in India.
Thank you, Ravi. It was a pleasure talking to you and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's all we have for you on this episode of Icons of New India. But you stay tuned as we decode the success stories of more inspirational companies and entrepreneurs for you on our next episode. Until then, goodbye and thank you for watching.